Hi, Kevin. So basically, I found my interest in your job post since I have done several projects on Upwork and also outside of Upwork with Django, Celery, and more on Flower, monitoring the application on also task and queue management with Flower. And basically, I have done a big project for a real estate company. Just recently finished these projects and maintained the application on the cloud. This was the projects. Basically, this was the basic requirements to create their admin panel and also some data analysis and integrating AI price prediction of real estate leads. So some advanced feature on that application. So that was a complicated application since there are several dependencies on there with machine learning libraries. So uh, this was a big project to handle the projects on the cloud, working with different machine learning things on the background. So I think I will be able to do perfectly to contribute on your projects to maintain the application on the cloud and also uh, more opportunities in the future. So that's why I have applied in your job posts, and also these projects related to Django and like other things in Celery. And this was a projects for disease correlation application. The application currently maintained on the application on the cloud. So this is my GitHub repo. Basically, most of the application and repository are currently private. I'm going to share my GitHub profile, but I'm just making sure that most of the repository is currently private on my repository since I work with different clients and also work with research projects. And that's why I have made it private. So please reach out to me to explore more things and discussing about our requirements. So I'm really excited to connect with you to discuss details in our projects. So thank you, Kevin.